Are you aware that most of the sickness that your birds are passing through, those issues in your farm that your birds are passing through, that really you are the cause of these problems? Okay, I've come to realize, and I've checked some of my students their farm, and I noticed they are doing one particular thing. And what is the thing that they are doing? They are, after getting their birds, they bring their birds. The carton that they use in getting their birds, they use it as their beddings. They use it to to put as their beddings for the birds. Do you know that these cartons are supposed to be disposed? It's not supposed to remain in your pen. And that is why white poo, green poo will never leave your farm, because you put this